In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily put status on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app, and then at the bottom toolbar you can easily find status. We can get into it, and that's where we can set status on WhatsApp. We can use our camera to take a picture, or we can use this pencil tool. If we tap on it, we'll be able to create text status for WhatsApp. Right here we can enter some text. We can tap at that icon to change font. Also, we can tap at that icon to change the background color, and then we can tap right here to change visibility or privacy for that status. We can set it to my contacts, or to my contacts accept, or only share with, and in this case we'll be able to check mark those users whom we want to share our status with, and then once we've done with that, we can tap at send, and that will publish our status. We can check our current status right here. We can just tap at that circle, and here it is. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.